Hello team, welcome to our mainframe DB2 tutorial. I would like to thank you all for your support and please subscribe my channel and sharing this video. Let's start with today's topic. So today we are going to discuss about the mainframe migration to AWS Cloud. So there were some issue in a mainframe. That's why we are going to switch to AWS clouds. So mainframe has a complex dependency. It has the slow release cycle and scalability issue. That means some of the storage around the scalability. Mainframe has a finite resource. Okay, so if there is a spike in a load, then it become a difficult to process. So the request that the coming in the mainframe. Second issue is a skill shortage. Skill shortage is another problem because when it's managed the mainframe platform, the application are getting retired, they are getting harder to harder find, so become it a problem that a new talent we need to search. It's also a big issue to manage the hardware and the software. Next one is the technical debt. So technical debt is another complexity that comes under the mainframe. So customer wants to modernize the mainframe. Now we are going to discuss about the benefits of mainframe modernization on AWS. Mitigate and modernize your mainframe infrastructure and application with the cloud computing. So it has the lots of benefits of the mainframe modernization on AWS. Let's discuss three main drivers. First one is the agility, second one is reduce the cost, and third one is mitigate risk. Let's discuss one by one. First one is increase scalability and business agility. That means AWS offer horizontal scalability with a virtual unlimited capacity to increase scalability and it handle workload peak and spike. AWS provides the advantage of the multiple protocol and interface. Next one is the reduce the cost. That means once migrated to AWS, customer reduce the cost by 60 to 90%. AWS clouds allowing them to gain flexibility and experimentation and innovation. One of the most advantage of the mainframe that is availability to the wider range of stockholder. Third one is the modernization out data technology. It's attract a new talent. That means modernize with a AWS. It's allow mainframe customer to transition to modern language such as Java and other. It's provide the new talent to modernize core business workload. So now we are going to discuss about the AWS mainframe modernization flowchart. So this technology like mainframe migration cannot be a easy task. It's a very big challenging task to migrate the cloud. The environment of the mainframe are very typical coded with a decode of technical that migrate a approach can very difficult to finding a trusted and qualified expertise. So it's not a easy, but let's take m- mainframe modernization. So it's meets the mainframe modernization has provides the unique platform. It's migrate the mainframe workload to manage runtime environment in the AWS. AWS mainframe modernization provides the capability required for analyze transformation, development, operation in the mainframe workload. And also it's modernize the running and operation mainframe application. First it goes to the analyze process. So in analyze the application of dependency for assessment or planning, then it's replatform the develop. So here in develop, the application of migration, modernization are ongoing maintenance. After maintenance, refer a deploy. So here it's create the runtime environment and deploy the application to the operate. And operate takes the manage and run application in a resilient and escalate this environment. So this it suppose the migration population panel like a population panel, or we call as the automated DevOps pipeline. So it's refer a develop, deploy and operate. And AWS provides the managed runtime environment facility, security, resilience, cost effective, and also reduce the cost. So it's a very good opportunity to us. That's all from my side. So thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want any specific DB2 topics, so please mention in comment box. Thank you all. Bye.